One day, in a magical garden, there was a curious little sun named Sunny. He loved to shine brightly and count the wonderful things around him. Look, one sun. He beamed with joy as he floated above. That's me. As the morning light spread across the garden, Sunny saw two shiny apples hanging from a tree. Two apples, he giggled, trying to see if he could make them shine even brighter. Do you want some color, my shiny friends? Around the corner came three playful cats, chasing each other with springy pounces. 3 cats, Sunny counted, almost laughing along with their fun. Look at their whiskers whisking. Next, the noise of 4 cheerful cars driving by caught Sunny's attention. 4 cars, he counted as they zoomed past, leaving little puffs of dust in their wake. Beep beep, let's play Catch Me If You Can. As the day warmed, 5 twinkling stars appeared to smile at Sunny from the daytime sky. 5 stars, whispered Sunny, knowing they watched over him. Aren't you the brightest friends around? To Sunny's surprise, 6 colorful balloons flew up into the sky, dancing through the air. 6 balloons, he cheered, following their upward journey. Float high and reach for the sky. By the pond, 7 shimmering fish swirled joyfully beneath the water's surface. 7 fish, counted Sunny, admiring their sparkling scales. How do you swim so gracefully? Not too far away, 8 lovely flowers stood tall, their petals gently swaying. 8 flowers, sighed Sunny, feeling their sweet scent. Thank you for sharing your beauty with the world. Flitting around those flowers were 9 delicate butterflies, flapping their silken wings. 9 butterflies, he counted with delight, watching their dance. You make the garden a living rainbow. Finally, Sunny spotted 10 bananas bunching happily together high on a tree branch. 10 bananas, Sunny said with a satisfied nod. Are you snacks for all the animals? As the sun set, Sunny realized how much he loved playing this counting game, seeing and feeling the stories of the world around him. It made him glow even brighter, ready for the mysteries tomorrow might bring. Good night, Garth, Sunny whispered, as the night sky arrived with a wink. Let's count again tomorrow.